Hello, good evening. So great to see you all again. My name is Emily. I'm the program director from Hartford Performs. This is our last professional development together for this year. We hope to be working with Women's League again next year. So today, back by popular demand, who is going to be leading and helping and supporting your shadows unit using, teaching you ways today how to use strategies to use imaginative play and creative movement to help your students explore the shadows. We're giving each classroom a sheet, a flashlight. You can also go out and use the sun. So we gave you some sidewalk chalk as well. So each class is going to get a set of those things. You have Moonbear shadow book to explore as well.
Give me your opinion of what makes a shadow. And if you do have that, I'll take that too. All right, anybody want to take a stab at it? Your body blocking the lights on the shot. Yes, yes. Good. Here we go. One more beat again. Here we go. Show them shakes. And 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go, freestyle. I'm just gonna, whenever you say freeze, I'm gonna try to stop into some kind of shape, right? And I want that person, somebody, to tell me something about my shape. What am I doing? What are you noticing? All right? Here we go. Whenever you want me to stop, just tell me to stop. All right? Freeze. Like a star. Okay, I'm gonna star. What else? Triangle, okay. I want to take that triangle, all right, because I know the kids will really identify with that. Can you come up and draw a triangle on? Like, where would the triangle look? Yeah. Where would be the top of the point? Yeah, go ahead. Okay. I like that. Good. So we got our triangle. Yeah. Anywhere else that you caught with somebody else in it that you might see a triangle? Okay, the legs. Okay, so now this is called, you have positive and negative. So negative is where the light goes through, and the positive is the flesh, the solid. Okay? All right, I'm gonna go again. I would like you guys to join me, and then we're gonna take those shapes and we're gonna transfer it to, now how do we make that green in the shadow? Because when it's in front of your face, right, it's like, okay, yeah, that's it. But now, how can we make that more? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, shake out. Shake out. Let's work on those levels, high, medium, and a safe low, okay? And make sure you mute back up. Right, here we go. All right. 5, 6, 7, and free. All right, I see some circles. I see a triangle. Shape of a tree. I see a basketball. Okay, it's like swimming. All right, diving. Okay. Crocodile. Which crocodile? Was crocodile or alligator? Yes. Yes. Bird. Yeah. Nice. Oh wait. Oh wait a minute. Lord, wait. That hurt. I can't, let me see. Oh, I can do it. No. This is difficult. Oh my God. Okay, what that look like right there? Let me see. Triangle. Ah, yes. First scene in the book. All right. We got Bear doing what? What are they doing? Fishing. He's fishing. All right. Pretty simple enough. But then behind with the shadows can get a little complicated, right? We're gonna try not to be complicated. It's just fishing. So, do we need much to make this scene? How many people do you think we can use to make this scene? One person. Just one? We need a fish. All right. We have some more details. Should we have somebody be a fish? All right. So I need somebody to be bear. I need someone. I like that. Yeah. Get somebody to be a fish. So, one day, Bear went down to the pond. pond with his fishing pole and a big can of worms. While he was putting a worm on his hook, he looked down and saw a big fish.
Wow.
I'm going to catch that fish. And scene. Can we give our actors a Speak amongst yourselves about the difficulties and some of the like, oh, that was easy to have to do. But what would be the difficulties you would run into? And I think we already started. I heard that over here. So let's take a few minutes. Let's talk about that amongst yourselves, and then I would like some feedback.
I was just thinking about how it would work in our classroom because we have a larger amount set of children.
Yes.
So I thought like to make it easier instead of doing it as a big group and have it like overcrowded or not everybody to get a turn to do. Since we got 3 teachers, each teacher in a different area doing a different shadow play, like we'll do shadow puppets, shadow figures, shadow body movements, then rotating every 15 minutes so a child gets to experience different types of shadow play.
Nice. What skills are students practicing when doing this activity? What's that? Conversation, all right. So communication skills, talking about what they see and learning how to
How
describe.
they're moving their bodies.
Yes. Motor skills.
Regulation. It's my sound, my sound.
Regulation. Patience. Wait, patience. Yes. What else do you think they're picking up from this activity? Physical movement, yeah. Learn their shapes, right?
Positional words and also spatial relations.
Positional words. Yes, ma'am. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. One, what would your students like about making shadows in class? A little bit more from this side. This side is more quiet.
I think the
Or like maybe this area is quiet.
So
What do
we,
you students like?
I did group meeting, what, Monday? Yeah, yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And then Miss Faye turned up the lights, so they started seeing my shadow, and then they started getting up and jumping and moving around, so I think they're gonna enjoy it.
Okay. I think so too. Definitely, definitely. Anyone else want to? Yes,
I
ma'am.
think them having the role and interacting.
Also, just about everybody's been back here. It reminds me when I was a child, when I would play, like, when I would have like a slumber party and make my tent. All right? This is the girls' cave. No boys, ew, boys stinky. Right? This girls' cave, right? So it reminds me of when we would make our shadows and do a little movie and whatnot. Next question. What issues do you anticipate when trying this with your students? And we did touch on this earlier. Anything else come up that as we did other activities like, oh yeah, that else, or yeah, that too, or okay. What else might have popped up as
Frustration when they wanna make something and it doesn't come like how they want it.
right, or how about they want to make something and, baby, that's not in the book. Stay on
A
top.
dinosaur,
Stay on
Sonic.
topic, baby. No. Right, yes.
And everybody getting a turn.
And everybody
My
getting
turn,
a
no,
turn.
my turn, I'm gonna
No,
go.
we got turns.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, exactly. Good. And last question. What are other ways you can use movement or imaginative play in your class? What other ways? Because I don't know everything. I know some things, but I would like to learn from you too.
Dance.
Okay, all right. Well, what else could we do? Yoga. How many shapes are in yoga?
All of
Come
them.
on now. Seriously.
I got an ABC yoga.
Make some shadow yoga. Bro, we just made that up. Don't